see. So what did you say, sorry? 30 take away...
20. 30
Did you
take
say
away
20?
18. Yes.
Yep. 30 take away 18 is what number, sorry?
20.
Not quite. Do you want to try one more time? Or would you like some help?
Please can I have some help.
Yes, of course you can. So what we do is when we subtract a number, do we put the bigger number on top or the smaller number on top?
The bigger.
Bigger number. So let's put 30 down first of all. And let's try and take away 18 from 30. So can you take away 8 from 0?
No.
No, you can't. So what are we going to do?
Go to 3 and put across 3 and change it to 2 and put a 1 next to 0.
Excellent. So that gives us 10. So what's 10 take away 8?
2.
So 10 subtract 8. Can you do that again? So from 8 count up to 10?
2.
Yeah, good girl, well done. So 10 take away 8 is 2. Now what's 2 take away 1?
1.
Good girl. What does that give us?
12.
What's the answer?
12.
12. So if you do 30 take away 12, that will give us 18. So can you see how the equation balances on both sides? So 6 times 3 is 18, and then 30 take away what number is going to give us 18, and that's going to be 12. Okay? Good. So what's going to be our answer?
Okay. 12.
12 will be our answer. Yeah. Good girl. Well done. Thank you, Ruj. And let's go on to the next question. So in this case, let's go for Isa Tariq to answer this one.
Hello.
Hello, Isa. Hi there. How are you?
Good.
Very good. Okay, so let's do this one first of all. So what's 3 multiplied by 2 add 9?
It's 3 times 2 plus 3 times 2 plus 9 is 15, and then.
Okay, so 3 times 2 is 6, and then 6 add 9 is 15. So let's put 15 on this side. Well done. And 20 take away what number will also give us 15?
5.
Okay, so 20 take away 5 will also give us 15. So the answer is going to be?
5.
5. Well done. Good. Thank you, Isa. Okay, let's go on to the next one. And for this one, let's go to who should we go to? We've got so many people with their hands up. I'm getting all confused now. Don't know what to do. Let's go to Hassan. Okay, Hassan, how are you?
I'm good.
Very good. All right, then, do you want to help me out with this one?
Okay.
So what's 20 divided by 4?
5.
5, okay. And what's 5 add 5?
10.
Good. So let's put down 10 on this side. So this means that this part of the equation on the left-hand side of the equal sign is 10. Well done. So what's 3 multiplied by 7 on the right-hand side?
21.
Okay. And what's 21 take away what number will give us 10?
11.
Very quick, Hassan. Thank you very much. So there we go. So we balance the equation and we have 10 on both sides. Okay, so but in this case, the answer itself, the missing number that we were looking for is exactly 11. So let's go for 11 and just link that in. Thank you, Hassan, for that. And let's go on to another person for the next question. And let's go to Elisa for the next one.
Hello.
Hello, Elisa. How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm very well. Did you have a nice weekend?
Yeah.
Very good. You've got very nice, beautiful wallpaper at the back.
Thank you.
Very, very colourful backdrop there. Did you make that
Yeah.
yourself?
No.
Okay,
My
good.
dad did.
Oh, really good. Tell him I said it's very nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's just do some adding then on the left-hand side. So first of all, we have to do 16 add 17 and then add 6. So take your time with this one.
Okay. So would it be 33?
Let's have a look. So 16 add 17 gives us 33. Well done. And then 33 add 6.
36.
So 33 add 6.
33 add 6 is 39.
Yep, good. Okay, so this part here on the left-hand side is 39. So we'll just write that down. So now we're moving to the right-hand side, this bit here. So what's 12 add 9?
12 add 9 is 21.
Yes, very good. Okay, so 21. Now we need to kind of get to 39. So 21 add what number will give us 39? So the best way to do this is to just do 39 take away 21.
Yeah. So 31 take
Because
away.
the opposite of adding is taking away. So 39 take away 21. Because remember, we have to make 39 on the top as well. So 39 take away 21. So these two numbers you said add up to 21. So now we're going to do 39 take away 21.
So it would be 18.
Okay, yes, very good. Well done. How did you work this out?
Because I did 9 take away 1 equals 8 and 3 take away 2 equals 1.
That's very good. Very clever way of doing it. So 18 is the answer, and we balance the equation with having 39 and 39 on both sides. So well done for that. So we'll go for 18 as our answer here. Okay, thank you so much, Lisa. And let's go on to the next question. So we've got some division, some adding, and also some multiplying here for this particular question as well. So there's a mixture here for this question. So let's go to the next person. Let's see who this is. If you just unmute yourself. Hello there.
Hello.
How are you?
Good.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Is this Savira?
Yeah.
Oh, well done, Savira. Thank you for joining. I couldn't tell that it was you because your name said Liba. So anyhow, how did you get on when you did this homework? Was it okay? Okay,
Yeah.
then. So let's just go through this one by one then, Savira, okay? So can you, let's move from the left-hand side or move slowly to the right. So first of all, the question says, what's 30 divided by 6? Do you know how to do 30 divided by 6?
Yeah.
Or in other words, how many times can 6 go into 30? You can also use your times tables as well if you like. What's 30 divided by 6?
5.
5, okay, well done. So 30 divided by 6 is 5. Okay, and what's 5 add 9?
14.
Take your time. 5 add 9 is 14, yes. So let's put down 14 here on the left. So this particular equation on the left is 14. So now we're moving to the right-hand side. So 2 multiplied by what number will also give us 14?
7.
Wow, that was quick. Well done. So in that case, our answer is 7. Happy?
Yeah.
Good girl. Okay, so let's just lock that answer in then. So we'll go for option B, which is 7 in this case. Very good. Okay, let's do one more together then, Sarira, okay? So let's do this one. This one's slightly bigger numbers, but there's no rush. So the first one is 24 add 24. 24. Yeah, good. Okay, so 48 add the next number, which is 6.
54.
Yes, that's very good. Well done. So let's put down 54 here on the left. So we now know that the equation on the left-hand side, 24 add 6 comes to 54. Well done. Do you know your 9 times table?
Some of it.
So? Okay. So now we're trying to find out 9 multiplied by what number gives us 54? 9 multiplied by what number gives us 54?
6.
9 times 5 is 45 and 9 times 6 is 54. That was really good, Sarira. Well done. Good girl. So our answer in this case is going to be 6. So now we've balanced the equation. So let's lock in question B, which is 6. It's very good. Okay. Well done, Sarira. Thank you. I'll come back to you in a little while, okay?
Okay.
Okay, brilliant. And let's move on to the next one. Let's, for this one, let's go to Emily.
Hello.
Emily, how are you?
Good.
Did you have a nice weekend?
Yeah.
When are you starting school?
Tomorrow.
Are you looking forward to it? Yeah? Have you got everything ready? Your bag and everything, all your equipment, your uniform? Fantastic, good girl. Okay. When you go to school tomorrow, be happy, be positive, okay? Because you'll be seeing all your friends and your teachers as well. Okay, then Emily, let's start with this one from the left-hand side. So first we're going to tackle 18 add 17, please. 18 add 17. Take your time with this. There's no rush. And while you're working this out, I'll just let everybody else know that when you come across these maths type questions, and please do working out, have some paper or a pad or a pencil and a pen to do working out. Working out is always good because it helps you actually improve your mental arithmetic. So, sorry, say that again, Emily.
35.
35, okay, well done. So let's put down 35 here on the left. Now we need to work out 15 add what number will give us 35. So we can also do 35 take away 15 because subtraction is the opposite of addition. So you can always take away as well. So 35 take away 15, and that should hopefully give us the answer.
20.
Very good. So 20 add 15 gives us 35. So this way we've kind of balanced the equations on both sides. So we're done for that, Emily. Good go. So let's go for 20 and let's lock that answer in. Very good. Do you want to do one more? Yeah? Okay, go ahead then. So 3 add 4 add 9. 3 add 4 add 9. 16. Okay, fab. Let's put that down. So 3 add 4 plus 9 equals 16. Well done. What's 2 times 2?
4.
And 4 multiplied by what number gives us 16?
4.
Wow, very good. Okay, and then we make 16 on both sides. So the missing answer that we were looking for was 4 itself, and that's the answer. Well done. Thank you, Emily. I'll speak to you soon, okay? All right, so let's move on. Let's go to Isa Ashraf for the next one.
So,
Hello, Isa.
hello. So 36 divided by 6 equals 6.
Hi there.
36
Yeah, so
divided by
36 divided
6.
by 6 is 6, that's right.
And then 6 plus 14 equals 20.
Mm-hmm. Yep, so 36
And then
divided by 6 is 6, and then you do 6 add 14 is 20, so let's just write that down on the left-hand side. Well done, carry on.
And then 5 times 5 equals 25, but then you need to take away 5 to equal 20.
Done, so 5 times 5 is 25, and then you take away 5 at the end, and that gives us 20 on both sides. Well done for that. So our answer in this case is going to be 5. So let's just lock in number 5 there. Okay, so there's a lag between you and Nata. Let's do one more.
So 21 plus 7 equals 28. 28 plus 3 equals 31. And so 31.
Yep, so 21 plus 7 is 28 plus 3 is 31. Well done. Good. Carry on.
And then 4 times 5 equals 20. But then we need to reach 31. So it'd have to be plus 11.
4 times 5 is 20. Plus 11 also gives us 31 on both sides. Well done. So in this case, our answer is 11. Good lad. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah.
Let's go on to the next question now, and we'll go to Shingi for this one. Hello, Shingi.
Hi,
Hi there. How are you?
I'm good.
Very good. Did you have a nice weekend?
Yes.
Fab. Okay. So in this case, we're just working from left to right. So first of all, we just need to work out what 38 take away 12 is.
The answer would be 26.
Just give me one by one. Give me one by one, working out first of all. So 38
The
take away
answer
12,
would
26.
be 26.
Yeah, and then take away 8 from there. 26 take away 8.
The answer would be 18.
That's pretty good. Well done. So 38 take away 12 is 26. 26 take away 8 is 18. Well done. And the next bit now. So again, we need to make 18 here on the right-hand side as well. So 50 take away 25 is?
25.
And then 25 take away what number gives us 18?
7.
It's lovely. Well done. Good girl. So in this case, 50 take away 25 is 25. 25 take away 7 is 18. So we've kind of balanced the question over from both sides as well. Well done. Let's choose 7 in this case as our answer. And let's do the last one together then, Shingi.
25 plus 12.
Yeah.
The answer would be 37.
Yeah, let's put down 37 on the left-hand side. Lovely. And then 20 add what number gives us 37?
70.
Did you say 17 or 70? 20 plus 17 also gives us 37 on both sides. Fantastic. Good answer, Shingi. So 17 in this case is our answer. All right, so that's pretty much, that was the first topic that we did on verbal reasoning 11 plus. So because we've done some maths now, let's just quickly move on to some English. And the next topic is regular verb endings. So let's just go over there. Regular verb endings. Okay, so let's go into this topic here. There we go. So very quickly, before we go into the topic, let's just have a look at some theory first of all. So in this case, we've got verbs tell us what a person or thing is doing. So the ending of the verb changes depending on who is doing the activity and whether it has already happened. So if it's already happened, it's what we call the past tense because it's already happened. If it's happening now, that means it's the present tense. And if it will happen in the future, and it's not happened yet because it will happen in the future, that's called the future tense. Now, taking these three contexts into account, we can then work out which one is past tense, which one is present tense, and which one is future tense. So she walked, in this case, this will be past tense. She walks, this will be what we call present tense. And she will be walking, which is something that's going to be happening in the future. That's what we call future tense. Sometimes the spelling of the verb also changes. Remember, a verb is an action word and it's a doing word, okay? So let's just go and have a look at some of the examples. So the question states, choose the option that is adding an S at the end of the verb jump to make sure that it makes sense. So let's go to a few people and get some feedback in this case. Let's go to a save for this one. Hello,
Hello.
Save. How are you?
Hello. Good.
Are you okay? When are you starting school?
In a week.
In a week? Of course, you're lucky. Still got another week left?
Yeah.
Very good. Okay. So in this case, what do you think would be the correct word, a letter to put at the end of jump so it kind of makes sense in this case?
An S.
Yeah. So which option would that be?
B.
B. Okay. So jump. So we put an S at the end. That will give us a correct spelling. So in this case, the word jump becomes jump. Well done. Very good. Let's do one here. So in this particular case, remember the verb in this case that we're looking at is the word look. So have a go at this one as well, say please.
Is it B?
What will be the correct spelling in this case? B.
E.
Let's have a
D.
look at that. So looked. So we just add an ED at the end. Well done. And that is correct. Good stuff. Thank you, Say. Let's move on to the next one. And in this case, let's go to Ruby Kate.
Hello.
Hello, Ruby. How are you?
Fine.
Very good. And Ruby, when are you starting school?
Thursday.
Thursday. Okay, so a couple of days left then. Are you looking forward to it? Yes? Okay. So in this case now, we're choosing the option that is adding an ing at the end of the word. And the verb in this case is the verb touch. So what will be the correct spelling in this case?
C.
C, yeah, looks good to me. So you're just adding ing at the end of touch. Well done. And let's do one more. So in this case, you're just adding an S at the end of the verb grab.
D.
D, yeah, sounds good. So you're just sticking an S at the end. What does the word grab mean?
Is this you want to hold something?
Yeah, when you hold something, absolutely. Well done. Thank you, Ruby Kate. Thank you for that. And let's go to Hafsa for the next one. Hello, Hafsa.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Very good. And so we're looking at the next word here, and the verb is shop, and we're just going to add an ed at the end for the verb ending to make sense. What do you think we should go with? Be careful with this one.
I think it's C.
Okay, good. So the word, the word that we have, the verb, sorry, in this case, is shop, and we just add another P at the end of shop, and then add ed at the end for the spelling to be correct. So in this case, it will be shopped. That's good, Hafsa. Let's do another one. So this question is slightly different. So choose the correct form of the verb invent to complete the following sentence. So Jake and Abba, something, a new game. What do you think this could be? Which one?
Jake and Abba
That will complete the whole
invented.
sentence.
Invented.
Yeah, good. Yes, and in this case, we're going for D, which is invented. So the other options like inventor or invents or inventing will not actually make sense if you were to fit that in. So Jake and Abba invented a new game.
Yes.
Very good, Hafsa. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's just move on to the next question now. Thank you, Hafsa, for that. And let's go to somebody else who hasn't answered the question yet. Let's go to Shama for the next one.
Hello.
Hello, Shama, how are you?
Good.
Very good. So there you go, just the sentence and then let's see.
Mum always washes the car on Saturdays after we go swimming.
Yeah, makes on Saturday. We're going on to the next one now as well. Let's just wait for this to load. So when are you starting school, Shama?
Thursday.
Did you say Thursday?
This Thursday.
Okay, very good. So in this case, choose the correct form of the verb start to complete the sentence itself. Have a go at this one as well.
Our friend started a new hobby.
Yeah, very good. Our friend started a new hobby. Well done. That makes sense. Good girl. Thank you, Shama. And let's now move over and we'll go to somebody else. Let's go to Ramesa.
Hi,
Hello, Ramesa. How are you?
I'm good.
Very good. So read the sentence and let me know what you think could be the correct word in this case.
Jenny always explores the rock pools as soon as she gets to the beach.
Yeah, so Jenny always explores the rock pools as soon as she gets to the beach. Well done. So rock pools is an area next to the beach near the seaside where there are quite a few rocks. They could be within the sea or they could be just on the side of the sand as well. So we'll go for B, which is explores. Good. And have a go at this one as well. So the verb in question in this case is the word call.
A lot of people called us for our marriage anniversary.
Yes, so we'll go for option D. So a lot of people called us for our marriage anniversary. Just remember, everybody, that these are verbs all the verbs that we're trying to find here in this particular topic, and verbs are all action words and doing words as well. So called will be correct. Thank you, Ramesa. Do one last one.
Dad will cook chips tomorrow.
Dad will cook chips tomorrow. Do you like chips?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay, good stuff. Thank you, Ramesa. And got a few more to do before we move on. And let's go to Samira for the next one. Hello, Samira.
Our uncle visited us this weekend.
Good. So our uncle visited us this weekend. That makes very good sense. Well done. Good girl. Thank you very much. Okay, so let's go on to the next question. One is uploaded, and we'll go to a couple more people to get some last 3 questions done. And let's go to Elisa for the next one.
So it was the car will stop. The car will stop a few seconds at the traffic lights.
Yeah, that's good. So when the traffic lights turn red, cars always have to stop. So in this case, the car will stop a few seconds at the traffic lights. Sounds good to me. And do one more, please, Elisa.
Something unusual happened last night.
Something unusual happened last night. Well done. So we'll go for option D. Okay. So, thank you, Elisa. And one last to do. They've got go to hunt for the. So just well done. Okay. Here you go.
Anna likes to eat apples.
Okay, I think Hassan's got a couple of. Can you hear me, Hassan?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, good. So Anna likes to eat apples. Well done. Okay, just make sure that your button, your hand is there at the unmute button, so I could pick you anytime. All right. So this was the last one. So Anna likes to eat apples. So if you were to add A, C, or D in that particular blank there, then the sentence is not going to make sense. So in this case, that's the correct answer. All right. Good stuff. Now you also had a topic which was on multiplication division. I realized it was more important for me, especially this type question as well. So well done to you all. For Thursday, it's usually due in for Wednesday evening, but because we've had this late lesson today, so you can do it for Thursday afternoon at 1 p.m. if you like, if you wish. Okay. Good. Well, and thank you for attending this. Always make sure that you have some pen, paper, pencil handy on the side, because it's all good, especially for working out